A massive fire prompts a shelter-in-place order in Roseville. Air quality is a concern as huge plumes of smoke filled the sky.
We are live at the scene with team coverage as the investigation begins. The latest on that safety alert as we hear from neighbors and investigators. And right now, company leaders say that massive fire has been contained. Welcome to CBS News Detroit at 5. I'm Terrence Friday.
I'm Shayna Humphreys. It is still unclear what started this fire. Let's get right out to Alicia Bergio live in Roseville, near 12 Mile and Hayes. Alicia, what have you learned so far?
Well, hours ago, there was thick, black, heavy smoke billowing out of this building right behind me. It was so intense that people who actually work in the area say that smoke could be seen miles away. But take a look now. That's not the case at this hour. Crews have contained the flames. The fire chief tells me his team is still on scene, though, working to put out any hot spots on site. And the road right here near 12 Mile and Hayes down to Grosbeck is still closed off for oncoming traffic. Here's what we know at this point. The fire happened at RCO Engineering here in Roseville. According to their website, this is a prototype and manufacturing company that specializes in automotive and aerospace tools and parts. The fire chief says that this company deals with a lot of different chemicals. Later this morning, an emergency alert was issued urging people to shelter in place and stay indoors as chemicals may have been released in the billowing smoke. This afternoon, that advisory was lifted, indicating the air quality is safe. The company provided some insight on social media saying that this was an accidental fire and no employees were hurt, and the cause is still being investigated. Fire Chief Keith Jacobs tells me that this fire spread quickly. The roof actually collapsed within the building, which is only going to prolong the investigation to figure out how these flames started. A powerful fire, but a quick response from first responders.
It was contained and controlled to the best of everybody's ability. We were on it, everybody was on it as fast as possible, and realistically they were able to get it controlled. A large 20,000 square foot building like that, totally on fire within 2 hours, is actually very, very well. A lot of good work.
Back here live now, I'm told Eagle is also on site to inspect as well, just to make sure that none of those chemicals went into the water and is headed downstream. Of course, we'll be sure to keep you updated as soon as we learn more. But for now, reporting live in Roseville, Alicia Bergio, CBS News Detroit. Back to you guys.